Hi guys, good morning everybody. We are here today with Mr. Hamad from VeggiTech, and actually we are eating literally a capsicum that you usually doesn't eat raw capsicum. Absolutely. Right? Yeah. But guys, I can tell you the taste, it's amazing. It's like a fruit. I don't know, I never tried something like that.
Yeah. So this has been just harvested, and this is what we actually want to bring to UAE and the people of UAE, where we are giving farm fresh food which is grown pesticide free in your local farms. And that's why we love Chef Luca and Healthy Farm Eatery. If you haven't come here, you should plan a visit, because everything which you see here in Chef Luca's kitchen is coming from locally sourced, very fresh vegetables. So we are very proud. We are an agrotech company, and we build and operate farms that are sustainable and environmental friendly.
I love this. I really love it. First of all, the flavor is amazing, and I can't wait to try the food that Luca will make for us today in Healthy Farm Eatery here in Sharjah. How did you handle the hot weather here in Sharjah?
So this is where we have brought technology in agriculture. We create sustainable greenhouses. We have thermal insulation, a material that we invested more than $500,000, and that allows the greenhouse to become cooler. So we grow during the summer. So last summer we had cucumber, capsicum, marrow growing in our farms.
Cool, that's amazing.
And we also have indoor vertical farms. So literally, and one of our dreams is to kind of create an indoor vertical farm for Chef Luca, where you will actually be growing indoors. Little salad. So you look at curly kale here, you got black kale, so you can just literally pick these up, and you can actually say, this is the salad I would like to have, Chef. So the farms are in Sharjah. We have more than 35 acres of farms, and we have around 4,500 square meters of indoor vertical farms. And I would really love for you guys to come and actually have a look at it.
For sure. I was very close to say, I mean, how to invite myself to come and see what's going on, what is this, because it's incredible, it's amazing, and I'm a fan of this. So I always support the healthy lifestyle, healthy food, guys. So I'm very excited to be here today with you guys.
Thank you so much.
This one is amazing.